Such precious time in this life. Well, everybody knows that it.
Thank you guys for your supports and thank you for passing by. Make sure if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and let's grow this community together. And in this video, we are going to look at top 10 shortcut key on the keyboard that can be able to help you save a lot of time. The first one is Command plus space or Command space. You press Command and then Spacebar together. Command space will help you to open Spotlight, allowing you to quickly search for files, application, and perform calculation. So once you press Command and then Spacebar, you open Spotlight. Here you can search application like you can search calculator, you can search any application, or you can just perform directly some calculation here and you'll be able to save on time very quickly or very easily. You can be able to use that. The second command that you have is Command Tab. So Command Tab help you to switch between open applications. So if you press Command and then Tab, you'll be able to switch between open applications or open tab, and then you'll be able to work on that very easily. So Command plus tab is very important, come in handy to be able to help you switch between open application. The other one is Command window. Command plus window close the current open application or open window. So when you press Command and then W, you'll be able to close. You'll be able to close the current open window, just like that. It will help you to do that. You can use a combination of Command Tab and Command window to close specific application that you want. The other one is Command+C for cut, Command+X, no, Command for C, Command+C for copy, Command+X for cut, and Command+V for paste. So if you're working on a document, you can use Command+C to copy, and then Command+V to paste that. Or you can be able to use Command+X to cut, and then Command+V to paste. So that's very important on that. For instance, you just need to highlight something and then you are able to copy on that and you are able to paste it. So Command C, you copy that, and Command V to paste that. Very easy and save you a lot of time. The other command that you can be able to use is Command+Z or Command+Z, or this one will help you to undo changes. For instance, if you delete something on your document and you want to get it back, you can use Command+C to undo that. Or if you want to redo some changes that you've done, you can use Command+Shift+Z. It will help you to undo that. So it is very important that you learn how to use these shortcuts, because they will save a lot of time. For instance, Command+Z to undo is a life saver. The other one that you can use is Command+T. Command+T help you to open a new tab in your browser. Could be your Safari, your Chrome. So Command+T help you to open that new tab. Then we have Command+Shift N help you to create a new folder in Finder. So if you're in Finder, you can can go to Finder. Once I go to Finder, I can be able to place Command+Shift N, and then you have created a new folder here, and then you can rename a new folder here the way you want, and then you'll be able to help, or will help you to organize your files in Finder. The other command that you can use is Command Option plus Escape. Command Option Escape. Command Option Escape help you to open force quit non-responsive application window. Force quit non-responsive application window. So if you have an application that is non-responsive, you can use that command to be able to open that window, and then you can close any non-responsive application. Then the other one is you can use Command+Shift3 and Command+Shift4. You can use this Command+Shift4 and Command+Shift3. So Command+Shift3 help you to capture the entire screen, and Command+Shift4 allow you to capture a certain section of your keyboard, of your screen. If you want to capture a specific location, a specific section of your window of your device screen, you can use Command+Shift4 to be able to select that option. The other option is Command plus then comma. Command plus comma. Command plus comma, open the settings. Command and then you place comma. Open the setting. So you can see I've placed command comma, it has gone to the settings for my browser because that was the current open application. So if you're in another application, let's say we have that application, then you place command comma, it will go to settings. So because I'm on the Finder, it goes all word preference, because I've opened the application that I've selected is Word, so it goes to the setting for Word. So that's why you see word preference here, whereby you can be able to save, do a lot of things, check spelling, and so on and so forth. So command then comma, go to the settings of any application. So thank you so much for listening in. Make sure if you have any MacBook keyboard shortcut that you frequently use, drop it in the comment section so that we can run more together. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe, share, and comment. And most importantly, if you have any question, drop them in the comment section. Thank you so much.